Hey, little buddy, have you come for dinner? Oh. I don't think the hawk can see me through the screen. There he goes. Oh, you guys okay? They're all hiding out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all there. Sneak over there and twist the blade so I can get a good close-up of him. Oh, he's hungry. Look at his talons. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's huge. Bro. Dang, that is a big hawk. He wants in there bad. At least he didn't poop on him. Holy cow.
Mike's afraid.
He should be. That guy's there for dinner. If he could have him right now, I'd eat him. Can't see real good through that. He can hear us though. But he can't see through the metal grate. There he is.
Get my slide back.
Alright, time to go. Just over there. Waiting for you to go away so you can come back.
Hey guys, what's going on?
You guys alright? That was scary, huh?
Was that scary?
Now they're talking. Look at Mike. Mike's all stressed out.
Mikey, I'll take you in, buddy. Don't worry.
Take all of them in. They're not going to leave him out here.
I just want to see what he can do. He's gonna
Oh, yeah, he is. He thinks this is his food. I told you he stared me down yesterday. I can't believe he came closer. Look at that. Oh, yeah, he wants to eat him, dude. Alright. Is that traumatizing? They're all sick.